there. This is the complete repair for this problem. Choose your keyboard layout. Okay, let's get to it. The computer keeps rebooting to the screen, asking you to choose keyboard layout, and then it keeps going back and forth to that screen. Well, today I have a complete fix for it. Just so you know, I do have a similar video on this channel with a keyboard layout problem. This complete repair is almost similar, but at the end of putting the Bitlocker key, it comes up with a smiley face. That's what this video is about. Fixing the keyboard layout problem with the smiley face at the same time. So this computer that I'm working on gave me exactly this problem. Get it started, let's get it moving. Like I said, this is the message. This is what it keeps doing, bringing the screen back and forth like that. Okay, so what we do, we're gonna select US and we're just gonna turn off the computer. Okay, let's select turn off. I'll turn it back on. Okay, and then go to setup, of course, setup, which is the BIOS. Okay, here we go. If you look to the left of the screen, there's a button called Advanced Setup. See right here? That button is off. Basically, probably what the problem is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn Advanced Setup on. Gonna turn it on. Okay, and we're gonna hit apply and exit. See what it does. All right. Still takes me to select the keyboard layout. Let's move to the next step. Press enter, turn off, turn it back on again. Then we're gonna go to the setup. Okay. Right now we're gonna go to the storage. It's set up right now to RAID on. So we're gonna select AHCI. We're gonna select that, say yes to that. We're going to exit. Alright, say yes to that again. We're gonna get it fixed. Up with Bitlocker again. This time is asking you to enter the recovery key for the computer. In order for you to pull up the key, you need to log into your Microsoft account from a different computer. Or if you are a company, I'm sure you have some kind of intranet link where you could go ahead and type in the first 8-digit characters so you could get the recovery key. Okay, second, let me look it up. I'm gonna unlock. Just make sure that the computer is on the network, okay? The Ethernet cable plugged in, and then we're gonna say unlock. Okay, right now it's unlocking it. Recovery key is correct. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit continue. Okay, see what he's doing. This is the message you have right now. To fix the smiley's face problem, you're gonna have to restart the PC a few times. It's gonna restart. Let it restart. This is the second time it's going to reboot. This time it should come up with preparing automatic repair. Yeah. Okay. From there, you're gonna be able to fix it. Alright. Here's one in the now. Boom. From this menu, select advanced option and select troubleshoot in advanced and startup settings and change Windows startup behavior. You don't select that. Alright. Now basically what that is, the safe mode menu options. Just so you know, this smiley face usually comes up after there was some kind of system update. And the update installed some kind of driver that was not compatible or something like that. By making the system goes to safe mode, it's going to install the right driver, whatever driver it is. Then from there, we should be able to restart the computer to normal mode. Okay, so we're gonna restart. To go to safe mode, it's gonna come up with a Bitlocker key again. And that should be the last time to enter the key, I promise. Okay. So we're gonna put the Bitlocker key, the same key we got. Okay, 1 second. All right, we're gonna press enter to continue. Let's enter the key. I'm gonna press enter to continue. Okay, from there we're gonna select F4 on the keyboard for safe mode. All right. Right now it's gonna boot to the safe mode. Okay, so let it go through. Now understand that this screen that you're looking at doesn't show you that you are in safe mode, but in reality you are in safe mode. So if you try to log in right now, it's not gonna let you in unless you have some kind of admin rights. The reason why I selected regular safe mode, not network safe mode. If I were to select safe mode with networking, then possibly the user or myself should be able to log in. So in that case, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to press Alt Control Delete, and Alt Control Delete take you there. Basically, what we're gonna do, we're simply going to restart the computer. And by restarting the computer, we'll take the system back to normal mode. So let's restart. Good. Okay. Now it's gonna take you to the normal mode, and then I should be able to log in, and everything should be good to go. There you go. Now, as you can see, this screen looks exactly when you were in safe mode, but this is normal. So we're gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, this is the login screen with my credential. Oh, totally fixed. Another happy customer. Alright, cool. Please continue to subscribe, watch my video, share with your friend, TikTok friend, YouTube, Facebook, and all that good stuff. Have a good day. Bye bye. Yeah.